Wondering what kind of business to launch in 2025 that lets you start fast while keeping risk to a minimum? Here's how you can open your own manufacturing facility and begin turning a solid profit within just a couple of months. Our solution is an automated line for producing composite items, rebar, mesh, and structural ties. Thanks to its optimal design and full digital automation, this fiberglass rebar production line pays for itself in only 2 to 3 months, after which it generates a steady net profit of about $25,000 per month. That is an exceptional payback period rarely seen in the real sector economy. Why choose composites? The only real competitor is steel. Steel is heavy, expensive, and demands bulky workshops. 9 times lighter than steel. Finished composite products are cheaper to transport and easier to handle on site. A double-digit growth market. Construction firms increasingly need lightweight, corrosion-resistant materials, driving steady demand. Technical advantages. Compact footprint. The fiberglass rebar equipment fits in spaces as small as 60 meters, 650 ft 2. Lean staffing. Only 2 to 3 operators are required. No highly paid engineers needed. Automation throughout. Automatic raw material feed, precise temperature control, and built-in sensors virtually eliminate human error. Ultra-low energy use thanks to carefully engineered oven thermal efficiency. Compact packaging removes the need for forklifts or costly warehousing. What you get: turnkey. Any production scale, from local markets to nationwide distribution. A full dossier of documents, layouts, and checklists so you can start producing composite rebar with zero teething problems. Staff training, step-by-step maintenance protocols, and 24/7 technical support. Full warranty on every module, fast access to spare parts, and remote line monitoring. How much you'll need to invest? The initial investment is comparable to opening a mid-sized auto repair shop, about $37,500 to $50,000. But with low production costs and high margins, the payback period is just 2 to 3 months. Once you reach target production levels, you can earn $25,000 plus in monthly net income and scale further by expanding your product range or adding production lines. If you're wondering what kind of business to start right now, choose innovative fiberglass rebar manufacturing. We're ready to support you every step of the way and help you become the first in your region to offer this in-demand product. Invest today and start seeing results by next quarter.